Worried your indoor plants aren't getting enough sunlight? Not anymore. This LED grow light delivers full spectrum light with all the wavelengths of light between 380 nanometers to 800 nanometers to simulate natural sunlight. This indoor plants grow light promotes photosynthesis, accelerates sprouting, bloom, and fruiting while promoting overall plant health. Our Sunlike growing light has been certified by FCC, CE, ROGS, and PCE, as well as offering overcurrent, overheating, and overvoltage protection so that you can safely use LED growing light around your home and office. Your purchase is backed by our 2-year service guarantee along with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Wider, brighter illumination. Unlike red and blue spectrum plant light, our LED plant light delivers true Sunlike full spectrum plant lights for indoor plants, which coupled with the CREE-COB LED multi-layer reflector covers more area with light. Thanks to the optimal heat dissipation design, our indoor plant lights can be used for months without losing any of its brightness to provide your long-term and reliable use. For all indoor plants more. Whether you're growing some herbs or just common house plants, you can count on our grow light for indoor plants. Thanks to the 4 dimmable levels, you can adjust the lighting intensity of the indoor grow light, making it the perfect choice for indoor plants, hydroponic, greenhouse, and can even be used as a common desk lamp for your tables.